Life feels endless until you realize it isn't. The average human lives only 30,000 days. If you're 30, you've already spent 11,000. Gone forever. We keep saying someday, but someday never comes. Each routine day blurs into the next. Same morning, same screen, same scroll. Time doesn't slow down. We just stop noticing it. Being busy doesn't mean living with purpose. Write down your goals. Circle the 3 that truly matter, and let the rest go. Focus turns noise into meaning. Don't wait for the perfect time. Create it. Remember, life isn't about how long you live. It's about how alive your time feels. So make every day count before it counts you out.